Okay.
Hey. Hey. Hi guys. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you feeling, man? Karibuni sana to Lolwe TV Fitness. You know how we do? Hey. You know the drill. Usitake tukukumbusha, but I will anyway. Invite your neighbors, invite your mother, invite your father, invite your aunties, uncles, everyone. Invite everyone to this party. So no, it's a simple workout party. Weather is talking about acidic, so look for something that's going to excite you, that's going to make you break into a sweat. As you can see, she came back. She came back, yes? Stickability, Nani, stickability. So, this is us. This is Afrofab. Ivy is here, back with us on Lolwe TV Fitness. Yes, I know the kids are home. We're on break. We don't even know if it's end of term or it's mid-term. Lakini, invite them over. Wakuja workout na sisi. Sindio? So, it's very simple. Today we dance. Leo tuna dance. Leo Mimi, I am pumped. I don't know how you're feeling. We still keep going. We still keep going. Eh? You know? Space. It's a journey. Call the kids over. They're home for holidays, man. Invite them, yes? Step. Hey. Oh. Let's go to the side. Side. Ah. Smile, man. Hi. I step and wave back. Hey. Ha. Hey. I said the more you keep, the more you get. I get me. Hey, let's go again. One more time. Hey. Now we step to the front. Flick, flick, flick. Yes, it comes. So Gope, you miss one, you get to on the next. I have 1, 2, and switch. Again. It's just 2. Hey. Again. Hey. Oh, you know it's coming. Tunaanza huko. Ai. Oh. 20. Pita jirani. Ha. Oh, I'm sweating. Let's go on the spot. Swing. Swing. And we. Ha. Hey. Ha. I step. Ta ta ta. Ta ta ta. Hey. Ah. Step, step. Ha. Yeah. Thrust your hips. Tupa kabisa. Now we hold up. Hey. Hey. Ah. Turudi hiyo song tena. It felt like it ended prematurely. So no, but it's alright. Well, let's say when you're having fun, time flies by. But who are we? Tempo inashinda kiongezeka. Kama unaweza enda chini enda kwani nini? Haya. Alright, we step. Tena. Haya. Zungusha hiyo kiuno na nini? Yo. Ha. And step. Ha. Ay. Go. Turn it. Right. Left. Hey. 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 Ay, apa. Hey. Go low. Come up. Hey. Allah. And we shake it. Turudisha. So hebu panandudi tu sahi. Apa? Atwende. Yope. Hey. Sununu. Hey. My baby. Huh? Are you smiling? Are you sweating? Are you happy? Nakupenda kama. Huh? Huh? Dada. Huh? Huh? Hapa tu. I know. This is old school. Hey! If you know! Do you? Ongeza fujo. Huh? Come on. Do you? Do you? Eh. Hola. Hey. Oh. Turn belly. Turn aside. And step to the front. Yay. Do you? Do your step. Yes. Tena ndio hiyo. Yay! Ndio hiyo. Haya, tumemaliza hapo. Oh my god. Literally, I am sweating. Wewe umekaa hapo unafanya. Tena nyuma pole pole. Hapo. I want to show them my attitude. I hope you had your chance to hydrate. I hope you didn't have too much fun. Yeah? People, Ivy came back again. Sijui unafanya nini? Ndio hiyo. Oh my god. I need water. I need water. Now we slow down. Yani. Oh. Hey. Afrika imepungua. Hey. Panga tu pole pole. Step mbele kidogo. Let's cool it down. Step. On the side. Feel yourself. You're allowed. Hey. I break it.
Oh baby, oh my god. Baby nipe more. Shauje shwa nipe more. Wani ushayo.
Let's go round.
Ukinipa uchoki najiuliza wetu ama mashine. Wewe unachezaje?
Enjoy this music. Enjoy this day. Enjoy this moment. You're alive. You're well. You're doing it. Yeah? Kuna mtu mahali anatamani. You know? Yeah? Let's go side to side. There's a lot of us out here who are taking this for granted. You wake up, unachukulia kawaida. Sio kawaida. Kuna mtu mahali haja make it. Kwa hiyo shukuru. Yes? So you. Yes? Imagine after all that dancing, my friend. Yani mpaka jasho nikia kwa macho. I don't know how you're feeling. Yes? Slow it down. Sauti Nyororo, East African sounds, man. Homegrown things, yes. Being brought to you by Afrofab and Lolwe TV. Yes. You can follow us on social media. You'll find us. We're on Facebook, we're on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Lolwe TV Fitness, Tuko Pale, anytime, every time. As long as you can connect to the net, you can find us, yes? So, if you feel like there's an episode, will you enjoy zaidi kushinda another one, and you feel like you want to replace, rudia. Yeah, I always say, host a workout party, invite watu, fanya hizi vitu zote. Unajua, kuna mtu mahali atakuja atakuuliza, usikizi unakaa poa kwani unafanya? Lolwe TV Fitness, man. Lolwe TV Fitness. Wambia we are hivi. At the palm of, everywhere you go, you can work out at the office, at school, at the park, anywhere. Uliza hivi. Hata si uzi gazeti. Ulizeni hivi. She's here. She came back. That's all I'm saying. So yes, people, we love you, we love you, we love you, we love your comments, we love your suggestions, we love your opinions, we love everything you say to us. Keep talking to us. Go to our socials, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Angalia video alafu ongeze comments. Sindio? It's not only dance, yes? It's not only dance. We have other workouts as well, which suit everyone because they're beginner friendly. You work out to your level. So, karibuni. Tuana chini. Ndio hiyo. Hey, wewe. Come on. Ndio hiyo. Yeah. You do not have an excuse not to dance. Missy Dewey. Our workouts are so easy. Yeah. Beginner friendly. Some we have equipment. Some we've improvised because we are home. Sindio? Beba kitu yote. If you can carry a 3-liter jerrycan of cooking oil or soap or whatever, uko tu vizuri. Lolwe TV Fitness, Afrofab, and Ivy. Hey. Ndio hiyo. We're leaving, man. Buy cocoa. Ivy, do you know how to buy cocoa? It's a traditional dance. Mseme eti tunatwak tu. Ndio hiyo twende. Wewe. Ha. Baby. Wewe. See you next time. Join us. Invite your friends, invite your neighbors, invite everyone. Okay.